Good evening. This is the Owen James Report. Tomorrow, the IMF's mission chief to Jamaica, Omar Ramakrishnan, is expected to give the fund's latest assessment of the Jamaican economy under its precautionary standby agreement with the IMF. Now, Mrs. Ramakrishnan is expected to give local journalists the fund's assessment via video conference tomorrow morning. Following the conclusion of the previous IMF agreement, the Holness administration entered into a precautionary standby arrangement with the IMF, essentially a kind of insurance policy against exogenous shocks, such as disasters or economic shocks triggered by escalating global commodity prices, in particular oil. Impacted by poor weather conditions which hit the key Jamaican agricultural sector pretty hard, the Planning Institute of Jamaica was earlier this year forced to make a downward revision of GDP growth for the current fiscal year. Losses by a slew of highly capitalized entities such as Carreras, Grace Kennedy, NCB Financial Group, and Scotia Group helped to depress the Jamaican stock market indices today. The All Jamaican Composite Index down over 2,300 points, or 0.7%, and all the other indices also fell. 46 stocks traded, with 16 advancing, 21 declining, and 9 holding firm. Over 3.6 million shares worth $63.6 million change hands, with 138 Student Living, Cable and Wireless Jamaica, and NCB dominating activities. Now, the winners included 138 Students Living, Cable and Wireless Jamaica, JMMB Group Ordinary Shares, Lasco Financial Services, Radio Jamaica, Sagicors Real Estate X Fund, and JMMB Group 7.5% variable rate Jamaican dollar preference shares. The losers included CAC 2000, Carreras, Caribbean Cement, Grace Kennedy, Jamaica Producers, KLE Group, Caribbean Cream, Lasco Manufacturing, NCB Financial Group, Scotia Group, and Supreme Ventures. On the foreign exchange market, the Jamaican dollar strengthened against the US and the Canadian dollars, but weakened against sterling Wednesday. Now here are the numbers. The benchmark American dollar weakened by 11 cents Jamaican, closing at an average selling rate of $127.17 Jamaican, while its Canadian counterpart declined by $1.27 Jamaican to an average selling rate of $98.15 Jamaican. However, sterling gained 19 Jamaican cents to close at an average selling rate of $168.48. Now finally, following a rise in oil prices to their highest levels since 2015, international oil prices retreated today after U.S. government data showed that the latest weekly draw in domestic crude stocks was not as big as an industry trade group had projected. West Texas Intermediate, or U.S. crude, fell 0.22% to $54.26 per barrel, and international benchmark Brent crude was last at $60.41 per barrel, down 0.87% on the day. And that's the Owen James Report. Good evening.